Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Ulpah Nurjana, a student of the English Education Study Program at IKIP Siliwangi. Today, I would like to present my research proposal entitled Teaching Speaking of Pronunciation Using ELSA Application in 7th grade students in one of junior high schools in Chibongkor. Okay, guys, let me begin with the background of this study. As we all know, pronunciation is one of the most important aspects of learning English. However, in many classrooms, especially in rural areas like Chibongkor, pronunciation tends to be neglected. Teachers often focus more on grammar, reading, and writing. Unfortunately, this causes students to struggle with speaking skill, especially in pronouncing English word correctly. Even when students know the vocabulary and grammar, if their pronunciation is unclear, their message may not be understood. In addition, many students in Chibongkor have limited exposure to native English speakers. This makes it even more difficult for them to develop accurate pronunciation. To overcome these problems, I propose the use of ELSA Speak, a mobile application that use artificial intelligence to provide real-time feedback on pronunciation. Next, let me explain research question and research objective. This study focuses on three main questions. The first is, can the use of the ELSA application improve the pronunciation skill of 7th grade students in one of the schools in Chibongkor? Number two, how does the ELSA application impact students' confidence in their speaking abilities? And the last number is number three, what are the perception and engagement levels of students while using the ELSA application for pronunciation practice? To answer this question, I have three research objectives. The first is to find out whether ELSA helps improve pronunciation skills. Second is to evaluate the effectiveness of the application. And the third is to understand how students respond to learning with ELSA. And then why did I choose this topic? The reason is I choose this topic because pronunciation is very important in communication, but is often overlooked. In places like Chibongkor, students have little access to proper pronunciation models or qualified instructor. ELSA is a practical solution. It provides instant feedback and allows students to practice anytime and anywhere. Moreover, it user-friendly and highly motivating for young learners. And then now, let's move the theoretical foundation or literature review. Many previous study support the ELSA. For improving pronunciation, for example, a study by Ayu et al. Okay, we can look the previous study. Wait. I'm sorry. Previous study. I'm sorry, miss. Oh, yes, this one. Many previous studies support the use of ELSA for improving pronunciation. For example, a study by Ayu et al. 2024 showed that student pronunciation scores increased significantly after using ELSA. So this app includes features like animated mode, diagrams, pronunciation drills, and gamified exercise. It helps learners correct both segmental features and like vowel and consonant and suprasegmental features such as intonation, stress, and rhythm. For Wulandari and Halim, 2024, also state that pronunciation is not just about sounding good. It directly impacts fluency, confidence, and communication success. Therefore, a tool like ELSA is highly recommended in pronunciation instruction. Okay, now let me explain the research method used in this study. Okay, here it is. This is a quantitative study using a pre-experimental design. I use a one group pre-test and post-test to measure student progress. The participant is 33, 7th grade student from a junior high school in Chibongkor. The process includes 3 steps. No, improve 3 steps. It is in data collection. The first is pre-test. Students read a text to measure their initial pronunciation, and then treatment. Students use ELSA Speak 3 times a week for 20 minutes, and then post-test. Students took a new pronunciation test after completing the treatment. I use a scoring rubric. It is. I use a scoring rubric based on pronunciation accuracy, focusing on segmental and suprasegmental elements. The data was analyzed using paired sample t-test to see whether there was a significant improvement. How was treatment implemented? The treatment lasted for 6 weeks. In each session, students practiced with ELSA, focusing on sound like the of stress placement and intonation. The app gave instant feedback and the teacher monitored their progress using ELSA report features. This approach allows students to identify their weaknesses and practice more independently. So what are the expected outcomes? I expected to see clear improvements in student pronunciation, more confident when speaking English, and higher motivation to learn. Not only does ELSA help students, but it also benefits teachers by saving time, provide data-driven insight, and offering more engaging research. And then what is the significance of the research? Theoretically, this research contributes to the field of technology-assisted language learning. So I will see my significant research. Practically, it It provides teachers, especially in rural areas, with a reliable tool to enhance pronunciation instructor. For student Elsa makes pronunciation practice more accessible, personalized, and enjoyable. So for this conclusion, the Elsa application is a powerful tool that can support English learning. But I'm sorry, not right conclusion in this research. So for conclusion is the ELSA application is a powerful tool that can support English learning, especially pronunciation. It offers interactive practice, real-time feedback, and flexible learning opportunities. By integrating ELSA into the classroom, we can help students in rural areas like Chibongkor to improve their pronunciation and gain more confidence in speaking English. And this is references. The first IUL Hartati SN Rizky M 2024. The effect of ELSA speak on ELL learners pronunciation, Journal of English Language Teaching Innovations. We have from Caswell, we have from Giljani, and then we have from Rahman, Wulandari, Zulkarnain, and each other, and the most of all. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. I would like be happy to answer any question. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.